Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link a bank account to Moneylion. Linking a bank account to Moneylion allows you to fund your investments, to pay bills, and transfer funds seamlessly. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to link a bank account. Let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do is to log into your Moneylion account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the link account section by clicking on the link accounts button. Next, you want to select the bank account type that you want to link. It could be your checking account or it could be your savings account. Next, you want to enter your bank account details, including, of course, the routing number and, of course, the account number. And then you want to confirm the bank account link by reviewing the account information before clicking confirm. Now, once that's done, you want to wait for Moneylion to verify the bank account link. Now, this process usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours. So that depends, of course, on the volume of requests that Moneylion has. So once the bank account is linked, you can use it to fund your investments, pay bills, and transfer funds. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to link a bank account to Moneylion. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.